Hello, my name is Anand Gopalakrishnan and welcome to the fourth lesson about Python. In the previous lesson, we learned about the different data types of Python. In this video, we will be learning about the print function of Python and a short introduction to the Python built-in functions. Python has some simple functionality built in for us to use, such as input and output functions. We will go over functions in more detail in a later episode. In this lesson, we will be learning about the output function print. The print function of Python is very simple. It outputs something to the screen. You have to put what you want to output inside the two parentheses after the function. This is called the function argument. The function will then output this data to the screen. I will now show you an example of how the print function is used. The image above shows the Python IDE or Integrated Development Environment where you write Python code. We will be discussing IDEs in a later episode. For now, watch carefully at the clip. I will be typing the text "Hello Python" in the function and that very text will be outputted on the next line. So watch carefully. Well done! You have successfully completed the fourth lesson about Python. In the next video, we will be learning about the different operators of Python. So I'll see you next time and don't forget to like, comment, favorite and subscribe.